Good morning. Here's the latest on the tropics. We've got now Tropical Storm Eta. It slammed on the coast of Nicaragua and is bringing massive amounts of rain to Central America. So unfortunately, we're looking at that storm still having some major impacts on that region. It has weakened over the last couple of hours. We're now at a 60-mile-per-hour sustained speed. It'll continue to weaken, but watch what happens. It kicks off back out into the Caribbean and re-strengthens back into a tropical storm over the coming days and may take a swing for Florida. So this is one that we will need to watch for the potential of impacts on the U.S. So this storm, kind of a wild one here, and a late season storm still ongoing with this hurricane season. So not done with it yet, and some of us getting hit hard here on the Atlantic side. So here's a look at your radar and satellite in the valley. We are very quiet. We do have those clouds out to the west. That's going to move through as we head into the later part of the day, part of a bit of a wind shift coming up for later on. Ahead of it, we've got warm weather and conditions that should be quite nice once again today. If you liked yesterday, you'll like today too. We're starting off though this morning with some temperatures that are a little cool. We're at 28 degrees in Howlock. Grand Forks is below freezing at 29. It's 32 in Langdon, 36 in Fargo, and 28 in Oak. So, you know, it's one of those mornings where you'll want the heater on in the car, but this afternoon you'll be maybe running the air conditioner or at least rolling down those windows to let in that fresh, warm air. Looking at your winds, they're lights. Some of us seeing some wind speeds in the teens. Overall, we're looking at a southwesterly average on our winds, and that should pick up a little bit more today as this little boundary moves through later on. So here's your forecast. We're going to see those temperatures really rising. By noon, we'll be in the 50s, 60s, even approaching 70 degrees at that point in the southwest over by Ellendale and Jamestown. Notice those wind arrows going in eastern North Dakota. That's when we'll be seeing those gusts getting into the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, but really warming up as a result of that. And many of us in southeastern North Dakota seeing temperatures back in the 70s. Fargo's record for today is 70 degrees. So I think we've got a good shot of reaching that. And we may even see 70s off to the east as well. It just depends. You know, yesterday we kind of had variability in that. As we head through the rest of the day, we'll see those clouds swing through. Notice those winds start to shift. It shouldn't cool us down too much. In fact, we'll start off your day tomorrow on a nice mild note. But we may not reach 70 in as many places for Thursday, but 68 degrees is still a beautiful high for November. And Friday, we could be right back up to 73 degrees for your high. Sunday, that's when the changes really start to kick in. We've got a system that's going to bring some wind. And right now, it looks like rain to the valley. And we'll continue to track that for you as it gets closer here in the forecast.
Okay, I'm kind of dreading that already, but I'll just enjoy today and focus on that. Thank you, Lisa.